Now let's take a look at the third way we have to find probability. And this is the subjective probability. And the probability here, this probability of an event is estimated by using knowledge of relevant circumstances. All right, so let's take a look at an example of how we use the subjective probability. All right, so in this example, we're asked to find the probability that you will get stuck in the next elevator that you ride. Now, in the absence of historical data on elevator failures, we can't use the relative frequency approach because we don't have historical or past data about elevator failures. And even though there are two outcomes, you either get stuck in the elevator or you don't get stuck in the elevator. Those two outcomes from past experience are not equally likely. It's not a 50-50 chance. You don't have a 50-50 chance of getting stuck in an elevator. I would say a majority of elevator rides do not end up in failure. So we can't use the classical method because the outcomes are not equally likely. So because we can't use any of those methods, we're going to look at the subjective probability. Now, from my personal experience, I personally have never been stuck in an elevator, so I would assume that because I've ridden quite a few elevators in my life and I've never had the occasion to be stuck in an elevator, that the probability of getting stuck in an elevator is quite small. I would say even probably less than 1%. So my estimate for the probability of being stuck in an elevator, my estimate for the probability of being stuck in an elevator would be approximately, I would say less than 1%. So let me say 0.001, 1/100th of a percent.